Cameras captured this awe-inspiring footage as Sicily's Mount Etna erupted for the 16th time this year on Sunday. Etna is Europe's tallest and most active volcano, and Sunday's eruption sent plumes of ash and streams of lava out into the sky. The main phase of the eruption lasted for 5 hours from midnight and featured lava fountains shooting out up to 600 metres, giant bubbles of magma and lava flows before things settled down shortly before dawn. The volcano is located above the city of Catania, but rarely ever causes any damage. And during this latest eruption, there were no reports of damage or evacuations, and even the local airport was operating normally.